So I've been a little curious about this pen. Got it on Amazon for a really good price, for $12, so I thought, for $12, I'll give this pen a try. Helps if I actually cut through the plastic, huh? Retail package, not really a gift package. "2 hours when cleaned regularly," which is really confusing because if you clean it, isn't it clean? I'm not sure, but it's antibacterial. Careful. I was expecting it to be more copper color, but it looks almost silver in shade. Okay, that worked well. This is harder to do in front of a camera. Not exactly a pro at this. Well, hilarious. Let's see. At least look at the refill while it's up, while it's like this. Standard cross ballpoint refill. There we go. Just a little tight opening and closing. Here's a traditional cross century compared to a gold. So it's two-toned. It's the antimicrobial body with a chrome clip. Looks like a gold chrome tip and cap, or tip here, and the tip here is chrome. So everything is antimicrobial except for, looks like, the clip and the tip of the pen. So I feel like it's almost a gimmick. I mean, if you're going to get it germed up, you're going to get germs from the clip and the tip. But it's not that bad. Let's do some close-ups to see if you can actually see the color a little bit better. So there you can see the chrome cap. It's slightly a different color. It's kind of a copperish color. Twist motion is pretty smooth. You can see my fingerprints. And there's the tip. Alright, just for comparison's sake, again, this is the gold cross-century ballpoint. And this lighting, and they almost look identical in color, but not quite. Here is the rollerball version. Same silhouette, just this one has a twist cap with a rollerball. I have a click, which also piqued my interest. This one I got as a, just for grins, for 10 bucks. Same rollerball, same refill, so it's basically the same pen, just a different grip. Just for fun, oh, guess it would help if I compared it. Same silhouette, metal, but colored. And here's a jotter, one of my favorites. Favorite go-tos. I love the click, very golden eye-ish. A little bit bigger. Also ballpoint. And Fisher Space Pen. But, I mean, it's a standard cross ballpoint refill. So, I mean, it's a refill. It's just a ballpoint. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.